This is Joseph and Michiel from J&M Manufacturing. We would like to introduce to you one of our newest products. This is the J&M strap cutter machine. So let's do a quick walkabout on the machine. This machine is a complete self-contained unit with a built-in variable speed motor. It can be placed directly onto your workbench and can be easily moved around in the workshop. It's got an on-off switch here on the left-hand side. It's got an on-off lever with speed adjustment on the right-hand side. Once you move this lever upwards, you will engage the drivetrain. You'll see there, at the moment it's got very slow rotation, and as we lift and raise this lever, the speed increases all the way up to 300 millimeters per second. Moving it down stops the cutting roller. The bed can be raised and lowered with this lever on the side to engage and disengage your cutting blades. The cutting roller has about 300 millimeter cutting width. At the moment we've got it set up to cut 8 belt straps. That's 38 millimeters wide. All rotating parts is bearing mounted. Looking from the back, you can see all the parting knives. And finally, on the right hand side, this is the drivetrain with the removable cover.
I'm going to demonstrate a 5.5 millimeter harness leather that we're going to run through here and cut 8 strips of 38 millimeter wide belts. Okay, let's start her up.